addition and subtraction of three fractions with different denominators. Evaluate and write your answer as a fraction in the simplest form. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is write these numbers down vertically because I need to be able to get common denominators. In other words, I want the bottom number to be the same to add or subtract fractions. So I'm going to write them vertically like this: 3 over 4, negative 5 over 8, and 7 over 12. Now, I want to take the biggest number, 12, and I want to see if the other numbers divide into it. Well, 12 divided by 4 works. That's 3. 12 divided by 8 does not work. I need something that divides all numbers into that. So I don't want 12. So now I do 12 plus 12, which is 24, and I test that. Well, 24 divided by 4 is 6. 24 divided by 8 is 3. And 24 divided by 12 is 2. So it divides out evenly for all of those. So that is the common denominator that I want on the bottom of each fraction. So 24 divided by 4 is 6. So, So 4 times 6 is 24. If you do it to the bottom, you have to do it to the top. So 3 times 6 is 18. This one had a negative in front of it. That's important in a minute. 24 divided by 8 is 3, so you multiply by 3 on both of them. Negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. And then 24 divided by 12 is 2. So you multiply the top by 2. 7 times 2 is 14. Okay, now for your answer, the denominator that you got in common stays. And then you just do the numerator, what the top parts say. You do that. So 18 take away 15 is 3. And this is a positive number, so you're going to add them. 3 plus 14 is 17. So my final answer is 17 over 24. Okay, so the next one, same thing. Write them vertically so that you can work with them. Anything that has a negative, just write it down. Take the biggest number and see if you can divide evenly. 16 divided by 16 is 1. Yes. 16, we're dividing by the bottom numbers. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Yes. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So yeah, 16 works. So you want a 16 in the bottom or in the denominator of all your fractions. So the first one's already good. It already has a 16. So you just copy the 9 down. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So that means you've got to multiply the top and the bottom by 8. So negative 1 times 8 is negative 8. And then 16 divided by 4 is 4. So multiply the top and the bottom by 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Now I keep my denominator of 16 and I do what the numerators say. So 9 take away 8 is 1. And 1 plus 12 is 13. So the answer to that is 13 over 16. Okay, write them down vertically. 1 over 3, negative 2 over 9, and 3 over 4. Take the biggest number in the denominator, 9, and see if you can divide the other denominators. 9 divided by 3 is 3, that works. 9 divided by 9 is 1, that works. 9 divided by 4, you cannot do that evenly, so you can't use a 9. So then add it to itself. 9 plus 9 is 18. Let's test that. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 18 divided by 9 is 2. 18 divided by 4 does not work. So do 9 plus 18. That would be, you just keep adding 9 each time, 27. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 27 divided by 9 is 3. 27 divided by 4 you cannot do. So add 9 again. That would be 36. 36 divided by 3 is 12. 36 divided by 9 is 4. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 36 is the one that works. So you keep your 36 as your common denominator. Okay, so 36 divided by 3 is 12. So multiply the top by 12. 1 times 12 is 12. 36 divided by 4 is 9. So multiply by 4, sorry. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. Just keep the negative sign. 36 divided by 4 is 9. So multiply the top and the bottom by 9. 3 times 9 is 27. Keep the 36 in your denominator and add the numerators, or do what the numerators say. So 12 take away 8 is 4, and then 4 plus 27 is 31. So 31 over 36 is the answer.